Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to try to replicate the Victoria's Secret fashion show hair and makeup in celebration of the show that airs this Sunday. Who else is excited? So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off by applying my ELF Mineral Infused Primer. This will help fill in any lines and make for an overall smoother application. I'm a huge fan of this primer because it is super inexpensive and I feel like it does give a very nice glowy, healthy look to my face. Next, I'll be applying the foundation, and I am using the Wet n Wild Photofocus in the color Classic Beige. As a Victoria's Secret angel, you're going to be on that runway, you're going to have pictures taken of you, you need a foundation that works very well under different types of lighting. Next, I'm just grabbing my Real Technique sponge and just lightly patting my face and blending in the foundation. It's important to find a foundation as close to your skin tone as possible because Victoria's Secret angels, they really do look so flawless yet so natural. I personally love this Wet n Wild foundation. I feel like it gives a nice airbrushed look and keeps your skin nice and dewy looking. In with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Neutral. This will help to conceal any unwanted dark circles and brighten up the under eye. Also using this concealer to highlight certain parts of my face, like the bridge of my nose, my chin, my smile lines, and my forehead. I'm highlighting all of the areas that I want to avoid any potential shadowing. For under the eye, I'm just going in very gently with my ring fingers. For me, this is just a personal preference. I feel like it just blends everything out a lot nicer around this delicate area. Next, I'll be going in with my Goof Proof eyebrow pencil from Benefit in the shade 5. On the one end, it does come with a spoolie, so I'm just using it to brush my brows out. On the other end is the angled brow pencil that I'll begin to carve the shape of my eyebrow out with. I do this very slowly and carefully just to make sure that they look very natural. Towards the front of the brow, I like to use upward angled motions to give the appearance of just overall fuller brows. Next, I'll be going into my All About Glow palette by Style Essentials and grabbing my Complexion Buffer by EcoTools, and I'll be applying a nice light contour. I chose a very soft, warm, golden brown contour for this look because you know Victoria's Secret angels, they are all about the glow. I'll also be doing a light contour around the jawline. This is my favorite. This is absolutely necessary when doing this look because all the angels seem to have just the most perfect jawline. Now I'll be grabbing my Wet n Wild blush in the color Pearlescent Pink and just lightly dabbing it onto the apples of my cheek. This light pink color is perfect for giving an overall youthful look and softening up the face. Now to top off those cheekbones, I'll be going in with the Milani Holographic Beams Highlighter Palette, and I'll be using the very beautiful gold color. Just lightly dusting it over my cheekbones, and it really does just help give that extra little glow to the face. Just going to add a little bit onto the Cupid's bow, as well as the tip of the nose. Now it's time for the eyes. I'll be going in with the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat Palette. I'm starting off with the transition shade in the color Hot Spell and just gonna gently place it over the crease of my eye. It's such a great neutral brown, it just makes for a perfect transition shade. Next, I'm going into my Mini Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm grabbing the lightest color. It's called Whatevs and it's the perfect off-white shimmer, and I'm just using it all over the eyelid to just give an overall bright look. And I'll also be using that same shade to highlight the brow bone. Now taking my angled brush, I'm going back into the Ulta Beauty palette, into the color Nutmeg, which is a really beautiful shimmery brown color. Without a doubt, the Angel's signature eyeshadow look is none other than a cat eye, which I'm creating with the angled brush. I'm slowly working out the end and gradually making my way in, only about a third of the way. Then going in with the first transition shade and just blending it all out. With a small eyeshadow brush, I'm just going back into the Nutmeg color and slowly working it underneath my eyes to give a nice, subtle, smoky look. It is now time for that winged eyeliner, baby. I am going in with the Iris Beauty Ultra Defining Liner, and I'm starting at the outer corner of my eye and working out, then from the center of the eye, connecting the two lines. It's okay to go a little thick on the eyeliner. The Victoria's Secret Angels definitely do have a nice thick lash line. Now for some lashes, I'm going in with the Ardell Wispy Studio Effects. They are the perfect glam yet natural looking lashes. Going back in with my eyeliner just to go over my lashes and try to cover up any glue that might be showing. And last but not least, back into the Ulta palette, grabbing that very light white color and putting it into the inner corners of my eye, just to give an overall brighter and lighter, clean look. This will help to just open up the eye, and you know, as an angel, you have to have those nice bright eyes. Now for the lips, it is all about keeping them very natural looking, yet very full. So I'm going to be going in with my lip liner from Petite in the color Natural, and I'm going to overline my lips to give them more of a plump look because, I mean, look at my lips, they're definitely not plump. This shade that I'm using is about 1 or 2 shades darker than my natural lip color, which is about what you want. You don't want to go too dark and look unnatural. Now I'll be grabbing my favorite lipstick by Rimmel London in the color My Nude. It is the perfect nude shade with just a little bit of a rosy color to it. It's such a great match to the lip liner because it's just a couple shades lighter. Then I'll be topping it off with a shiny sheer lip gloss by Ulta Beauty in this gorgeous baby pink color. This will just create such an overall glamorous look on the lips. And last but not least, I'll be setting my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray with aloes and herbs, because who doesn't want to smell like roses? And just when you think you're done, well, you still gotta do something about that hair, girl. So I'm grabbing my Chi Style and Spray, which is both a heat protectant and hairspray. I'm going to grab about 2 inches of hair and spray both sides. Then with my 1-inch hair straightener, I'm just going to be curling outwards away from my face. As you pull outwards, be sure to not curl the ends as you want to keep them straight. Now you have yourself a nice tight curl that you're just going to pretty much tug at and just try to loosen up. You're going to continue this process all around your head, always making sure that you're curling away from your face. This is what's going to give you those beautiful, glamorous, almost beach waves. Now I'm just going to pull at my hair, just move it around. Don't be afraid to just play with your hair. You want it to look messy, you want it to look wild and sexy. Last and final step, I'm using the Big Sexy Hair for just that extra hold and a lot of extra volume. As an angel, you need very voluminous hair. Anything helps. So I'm just working it up at the roots and just throughout the hair. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I had so much fun filming this. I don't normally wear my makeup like this, so it was very fun to try something different. You guys should definitely try this out at home. I feel like this could look really flattering on just about anybody. This video was just for fun and in honor of the Victoria's Secret fashion show this weekend. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.